Exercise 13.3, question number 8. Water in canal 6 meter wide and 1.5 meter deep is flowing with a speed of 10 km per hour. How much area will it irrigate in 30 minutes if 8 centimeter of standing water is needed? So first of all, we are given a canal which is 6 meter wide and it is 1.5 meter deep and the water is flowing through this canal at a speed of 10 kilometer per hour. So this width, this depth and the rate of flow of water in length converts it into a cuboid. So the shape of the canal is cuboid. So we have the breadth of cuboid canal is 6 meter. Its depth, which is the height, is 1.5 meter. And the length of the canal is the rate of flow of water, because the water in any canal or river always flows in the length. So length is equal to rate of water flow. So here the length will be decided by the rate of flow of water, which is we are given 10 kilometer per hour, which means 10,000 meter per 60 minute. This means that if in 60 minutes 10,000 meter water is flowing, then as per the question which we are given, rate of flow in 30 minutes will be equal to half of this. If in 60 minutes rate of flow is 10,000 meter, then in 30 minutes it will be 5,000 meter. It becomes half. Therefore, from the rate of flow we get the length of canal is 5,000 meter. Now in 30 minutes, whatever the water is flowing through the canal, this water is used to irrigate a field. And in that field, how much area will it irrigate if we need 8 centimeter of standing water? Standing water means the water should penetrate in the field up to the depth of 8 centimeter. Okay? This means that volume of canal will be equal to volume of field, because whatever the water amount is being flowing through the canal is used in irrigating the field. Therefore, the volume of canal, which is cuboid, length into breadth into height, I am using symbol here capital L into capital B into capital H, because the canal and the field both are in shape of cuboid. Any irrigation field is always in shape of cuboid. So for this field we are going to use the symbol small l into B into H. Now as we know that L into B, length into width, is the area. So how much area is going to be irrigated? For that we will have to find out L into B. So we will keep the quantity L into B as it is, or in place of L into B we can use the symbol area. So here length is 5,000 meter, Breadth we have 6 meter, height is 1.5 meter, is equal to, now length into breadth we are going to use it as area into the height, which we need is 8 centimeter of standing water. So we need to irrigate the field up to the depth of 8 centimeter. But as we are given all these quantities in meter, so we are going to convert this into meter by dividing it by 100. Therefore, area will be equal to 5000 into 6 into 1.5 multiplied by 100 divided by 8. Now here, if we remove decimal of 1.5, we can put 10 here and we can cancel it with 100. 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, and here 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10, and we can cancel 2 1s are 2, and this becomes 2500. Therefore, area is equal to 2500 into 3 into 15 into 5. So let's multiply these numbers. 2500 into 15 further 75, and 75 into 3 is 225. So area is equal to, let us multiply these numbers. So 2500 into 225, it is 562500 meter square. So the area which will be irrigated is 5,62,500 meters square. So whenever we have the area more than 10,000 meters square, we can convert it into hectare. So area will be equal to 562500 divided by 10,000 hectare, and we can cut 2 zeros and we get the area as 56.25 hectare, which will be the area irrigated.